One of the websites we use to find uh, free camping areas and boondocking areas and cheap campgrounds is called Campendium. And I am going to show you a little bit about navigating around the Campendium website. And we will just go to the Campendium website, and there are tabs up here at the top on categories of campsites. But where I usually start is just by typing in the state. And Campendium website will show you a lot of different overnight parking places and campgrounds, but it does not show you Walmarts or truck stops. You can use Allstate's website for doing that. There is a Campendium phone application, but it's for iOS and it's not for Android phones. So since we have a Samsung phone, we usually use the website. There are filters up here, and I will show you the filters. You can sort your sites by distance, highest rated and most reviews, which I never use, or categories, and there are many categories for public campsites and casinos, different types of campsites like BLM and forest land, state forests, Army Corps of Engineers, state parks, and you can sort by those types, and you can sort by price ranging from free to inexpensive to expensive, and you can sort by hookups, full or partial, 50 amp dry camping, and also you can sort by the recreation that's there, and discount clubs. We use Passport America sometimes, and that's one of them listed, like Good Sam, Thousand Trails. So let's just take a look at the map here, and we'll go ahead and put in a filter. We will choose cheap and partial hookups. And so we will also include free. Okay, so now we will go ahead and expand our map, and we will check one of the campsites that's available. Here's one here, which I know is on a main interstate going from south to north or vice versa, and it's the Mike Silpot's recreation area. The last price paid was $10. Now Campendium depends upon user reviews to give them their information, and it gives information, for instance, from users such as the cellular service, which is important for RV travelers to have not only cell phone service but internet often. And we can check the amenities, and they have 30 amp and 20 amp partial hookups. There's a lake there, boat ramp. They'll accept big rigs, and they accept pets. And so we'll come out of this and check a couple of reviews. And okay, so this this reviewer paid $10, and let's see, and so I don't believe he stayed in an electric site, as this guy paid $15, and there were 8 sites with electric, he says, and the non-electric sites were $10. And this reviewer says no potable water dump station. So this park might be good for a quick overnight stop in the summer when you just needed electric. And we'll go back to the main map, and you can save your filters up here if you wish by turning on save filters. And so we'll type in free, and we'll type in partial hookups in our filters, and we'll check our results. Now there's just one campground in the state of Wyoming, and it's also close to the main interstate, Lewis Park, and last price paid was $0. They have Verizon and AT&T, and this reviewer says the nightly rate was free, but they were requesting donations, and he paid $20, and he had 2 bars of Verizon. And we'll scroll down here, and this was interesting, I thought. This guy says water sampling since 2014 has shown town of Wheatland drinking water to be contaminated with heavy metal uranium above federal standards. So you might want to not use their water there and just bring your own drinking water and fill your freshwater tank somewhere else. So anyway, so if we go back to the main map and we put in the price free and not put any filters in for hookups, we see a purple icon here on the map, and it's a casino, and it has 3 bars of Verizon and 3 bars of AT&T, and the reviewer says great overnight spot, and he says that he had a delightful dinner there. He says electric if you need it, so I don't know what that means, because in the amenities it said dry camping. It's what I saw, dry camping. So where he gets his electric, I don't know. Maybe it's there as a hookup for for engine block heaters in the winter. I don't know. Anyway, that gives you a general idea of how to navigate around Campendium. And like I said, it won't show all the free camping places. It won't show your truck stops or your Walmarts. If you need to look at those, then you can go to the Allstays app or website. Allstays also has an iOS application, and but not Android. So I hope this was helpful, and safe travels to all of you. Thank you for watching my video.